So we have a Tesla Model X here. So we have definitely Cybertruck. Okay, so this is video object recognition system. Okay, here we do have some STI biosensors. So here are different solutions we have. Here we have, of course, secure cloud authentication. This is SDI, so we can design it, operate it. Okay, finally we got a cool demo of Robotics. Oh my god, so fast! So here are different examples of robotic eyes. So they measure the distance node. This is very cool. I definitely need to show this all on the way. Okay, people, we are in California, Santa Clara, and it's daytime. It's very hot. It's California. So we are today attending the Sensors Converge. It's 40th anniversary, and it's all about sensors, IoT, data, connectivity, object character recognition. Definitely see you inside. Meanwhile, also will record some footages of the building, of the area, just for the record. And stay tuned, like us, subscribe, hit the bell. We are doing all this for you guys, all personal, free time, hoping to bring awareness to IoT, and definitely hoping to make knowledge sharing more interesting, efficient, and interactive. Stay tuned. And this is, as I promised, some beautiful footage of the area where we are. As I mentioned, in Santa Clara. This is Sensors Converge Exhibition, day number 3, and this is big complex of buildings, hotel, and all about making it convenient for the people joining this annual exhibition / conference. So yeah, hope we'll see something cool inside. Hope you like it, and feel beautiful. And that's how we get inside. There's the main entrance, some banners of major sponsors, Systemic Electronics, and we see big reception, assistance, badge pickup area, some information about registration, etc, etc, and of course different companies, manufacturers which are presented here. Yep, that's it. Let's go inside. K18. Here is IoT Forge, and this is our Sensors Converge. The last day of the year demo project here is Zero Nutrition Boss, the farmer, and we have some farm shelf. Probably need to check. Okay, IoT Forge. So here we go. This is our Sensor Converge, and this is 40th years anniversary, and we are in the heart of the expo building. It's a huge one. You see how many different companies, sensors and stuff we have here. I'm doing my best. I did a huge mistake. I forgot my GoPro, so hopefully we'll get good recording quality. Stay with us. Definitely subscribe, like us, and of course hit the bell. Stay connected, do not miss anything. So now I am doing a brief overview of what we have in general, and then we'll try to find the most interesting demos and then stages. Of course, Automotive. I see something to do. Okay, see you guys. Okay, so I am near one of the building ends. Let's probably do the clockwise of the opposite. So you see different companies with their product sensors. Some of them have more stuff, some have less, and this one is in-source electronics. And probably we start with Automotive. Again, not intentionally, I just was looking around and I found some Tesla demo. So we have a Tesla Model X here. Interesting. Is it just for the car or for all the small connectivity, new car features here? So we have definitely Cybertruck, and it's open. We could see what's in front. Let's do that. Okay, this is front trunk, let's call it. I know it's probably called in something different way. I don't recall. I'm not a Tesla user, so we could see what's inside. the connectivity system, and this is definitely the main frontier. Okay, so we have here Mauser com quality, and what else? Let's go and just make a brief overview. Okay, different sensors, motherboards. Okay, this is innovative camera detection system, racing car games, 3D depth mapping. Oh, it's even bigger, you see? More space, more stuff. Okay, I think there is some demo. Let me check. Okay, so this is a video object recognition system. So you see they have two cameras. That's me. You see that guy? That's me. And it recognizes people here in real time. There is some tray with the fruits, and you can see how it properly recognizes apples, bell pepper, and the same stuff is here. Okay. So I was showing cool stuff. You see, it goes. This is my hand, and if I try to reshuffle them, it still properly in real time will identify like green apple, red pepper, green pepper. Yeah, this is good. And this is for monochrome camera. Again, they can work both for detection of objects, multi-poses. It's just a different range of the product. I was talking to a person technician, so he gave all these details about how they work, and you can see on the screen the technical details. And the thing is, they all, both cameras, do 30 FPS real-time video recognition with AI models running them. Cool. Hey, here we do have some STI biosensors, and you see they could be practically attached to different parts of the body, tracking different signals, different conditions, and they are all quite efficient and sufficient in terms of the size, in terms of the battery time. Yeah, very cool. Finally, I got this. Solutions from Amazon Sidewalk. Yeah, I still didn't finish my HomePad project with Sidewalk device. I got it from Amazon, and I promise, pinky promise, I will do something with it. So here are different solutions we have. So like IoT plus cloud, Alexa, some surveillance camera. You see, again, it's smart city solution with Sidewalk and the cars. It's properly recognizing cars, motorcycles, and the pedestrian. Very cool. And I need to finish my project with Amazon Sidewalk. My promise. Here are some stands of Hanamatsu Electronics, Molex. Again, looks like this area is more about biosensors. Very cool. We can send a batch and get more details. Okay, I will do that. I definitely will do that. So more devices, more sensors here. Again, very similar to STI, but it looks more probably accurate. Yeah, you see, it's less bulky. But again, the purpose of these sensors could be different. Nice, you see, this is trackable, Bluetooth low energy, printable asset label, so you just print it and you can track it. Wonderful, it's very tiny, very small. Here we have, of course, secure cloud authentication, because this is one of the quite important topics for modern IoT, especially industrial IoT. So here are different devices and approaches, how it works. For instance, this one is AGI-enabled smart creation and sensing. So it's AI running on this device without real connection. So here's the schema, how it works, how the devices. Yeah, again, quite interesting. A lot of topics and stands here on Sensors Converge about security and cloud connectivity. This is SDI, Silicon Design Incorporated, about different precision accelerometers controllers and sensors. And you see they built a very cool demo. It's small, kind of like Toy City, but it's great. And the thing is, it's a very good emulation of how the car goes through different road conditions, obstacles, and all about accurate, precise sensoring, right? Very cool. This is some stand of optics for automotive. So you see very familiar construction you could probably see on different self-driving solutions such as Waymo. And here we do have some IoT device partner, Moco Smart You Trust, and this is about smart sensor appliance. Okay, so they design and manufacture IoT for smart office, smart healthcare, smart parking solutions. Okay, another area, and here we do have Zyrer Electronics. It's full service for production, distribution of devices of all scales, all complexity. This is TechConnect and other IT companies, Meridian Technician Sales. Okay, and this is HTW, different, you see, ultrasonic sensors which are used in vacuum cleaners, transducers, lawnmower, gas meter, water meter, all the variety of different smart devices you could use at home or maybe already used. Okay, another area, you see, by the way, I didn't mention, all the areas go with numbers like 1200, 1400. So here is our exhibitor services. If you need any help, that Weiler, and here we have Neuronics, and definitely I need to check what's going on here. So they use TMR sensors, custom integrated circuit design, AI-enabled hardware and software. We need to see how it works. And some cool stuff. Okay, so we're back. I got really cool guy. It's a cow because this company, Robotics, they do a lot of sensors, including they're one of the biggest customer is farms which grow cows, and sensors are used for the cows in terms of like getting, checking how they feel themselves, how in general their conditions are. So we're now in 1200 row, let's say, and going forward we'll see probably 1300, which is probably the edge of this area. So you see multiple sensoric stuff, and of course different connectivity protocols, especially Bluetooth. Interesting. This is micro chip, and here we do have some simulations and some behind the wheel stuff. Definitely different microcontrols. I will try to see what we could do there, and let's see.
Have a trailer truck, and then you want to automate the control panel, means the lighting fan control, if you have a solar panel on the top of the truck. So all that, we have a different body to control different parts, door control and everything. So that is connected to the main network, which is Wi-Fi connected. Either you can use a control panel, light on and off, or you can use your cell phone to connect and control everything. So that if you have a food that needs a different temperature in the truck, right, when you are transporting, so you have a nice way to control automatically either your phone or a control network. That's what it is showing. And some of the controls here.
Can you put this one to move?
Yeah.
Ah. Oh, no. Nice.
Nice.
So it's like wireless connection now, or not?
That's
So here we do have energy monitoring systems, some gas, particulate sensor for air quality, personal tech for a better world. We have a wonderful discussion conversation, and oh, cool. We have here tactical sensors. Very cool. Very cool. So you see this attachment to the hand. So this is a demo how it tracks tactical sensor. So looks like we're going to the end of this area. Couple more stands. Embedded vision solutions for autonomous robotics. Okay, definitely let's check this out. Let's see. Got cool pictures and some demos as well. Let's see. This is covered. Very cool. Okay, different lithium metal batteries. This is area where you can have some seat, have some talk communication with the colleagues and the other folks. Let's move to another area. Stay tuned. Okay, so we are back. So something interesting here. One more biometric analysis, biometric imaging. So you see how the technology cameras and sensors used to track people like in the car. There is some relation with the human face. Okay, what else we have here? Custom silicon solutions features kind of different boards to see. Very cool, very authentic I would say. And here we do have embedded industrial embedded solutions. And what do we have here? So, Timmy, United States. Okay, this looks like the product, and they do automation for various sensoric systems. Again, you see, that's me. Hello, IoT coach, that's me. That's guy, you know him. It detects pose, it detects where my eyes looking at. Cool. This is a big, huge area. So we were at 700-800. Now we are back to 600, and I see some robotics. Cool. That's where I'm going to feel a lot. I'm promising. You hear the sound, you see this. Okay, finally we got to a cool demo of robotics, and this is first California robotics. They train our future workforce. Let's see. Okay, so there are two robots, and there is a kind of like stand where they need to put all these lights. Oh my gosh, it's so fast! Very fast, and very accurate. One more. Here we go. Oh my gosh, I really like the speed of this robotic platform. Okay, now we have two working simultaneously. Okay, you see? Oh, this is a different approach. This robot uses kind of like how it's called electric broom brush, and it doesn't need assistance of anybody. It could technically pick up with that kind of a hand, which is not a real hand of course, but this electric brush works really well. So it picks up any stuff on the floor. Okay, one more. You see. Boom. We got it. Now put it right spot. Interesting why this robot needs a leash. Somebody's everything on leash. Maybe it can run away. Okay. One more. This is a kind of, let's say, backstage for robotics operators. I also see a cool video recording from like previous kind of competition, you see. Here is like all the data they get from robots. Yeah, you see all the sensor data. Very cool. Okay, we have here Murata Electronics. They claim themselves to be innovator in electronics. Smart sensors for IoT, building, school, factory, airport, stadium, farm. Smart agriculture, of course, that's quite important and big deal. Okay, Dojo 5 exports a motor embedded firmware development. Here is PMG, advanced ceramics material. By the way, I didn't mention, this is third day of the exhibition of Sensors Converge. Merit sensors, high accuracy digital pressure sensors. And definitely we could do that, some kind of like injectors. And that's it for this area. Okay, we are at the 500 area. So what do we have here? Let's go there. I really like that stand of given side to robotics. Let's see how it works. They have some cool demo stand. So what do we have here? First, we have here, okay. You see, they stop when I moved close, and if I go away, they start. Okay, let me show again. I move closer, stop. I move backward and one more. Very cool. So here are different examples of robotic eyes. So they measure the distance not as an object recognition, but as you see, LiDAR. Basically, all this stuff is LiDAR or laser distance sensors, different variety, big variety of the sensors for different purposes. And again, shut down, you see, and it reacts very promptly. Boom and boom. Boom. Nice. Okay, so I think we have left 400, 300 and a couple more areas. Let's do a brief overview of these areas as well. Figaro, United States gas sensing company. So it looks like this is more about area. This is very cool. I definitely need to show this all underwear. Looks very good. So is it just like for nice showcase or it's...
So we have coated that with screen with Caroline coatings. So we make coatings.
Oh, so okay. Wow, now I got it. Yeah. And you don't need any additional like covers or housing for...
No, this, if you look behind, right behind the LED here, there is a PCB.
Yeah, you're right.
So this is an exposed PCB.
And there's a PCB here.
Yep, you're
So
right.
if you go like that. There's electronics.
Oh
here.
my god.
There's a PCB exposed here.
Very cool. And how long does it take? I mean, like the process from like initial, I don't know. I mean, like, I don't know how it works. I didn't hear about it previously. So the process.
It's not a very long time
Uh-huh.
for the process to take place. We have something called a dimer material, and we superheat it, pyrolysis state, and then it goes and deposits as a solid. So a solid to gas to solid.
Okay.
So, and we sell the tools as well.
Nice. Yeah, it's really cool. Here we do have Mauser electronic stands with the different development boards, sensors, microcontrollers, very cool. And this is a combination of different companies, solution providers under Edge AI Foundation. So this you see Edge AI Foundation Pavilion. Probably the last areas for today. Mini, Mindy, Mitsumi, fashion to create value for difference. App demo, polishing of green demo. So I see different areas from healthcare as well. Heat mapping demo. Okay, wonderful. I like it. So this is a heat map, but it reacts on me right now. So there is a camera and you see blue, not warm at all. And I am definitely warmer. So if you, can I go closer? Okay, and now I believe I will be kind of orange and red. No? Okay, yeah. And where do you use it? I mean, like, what's the use case?
There's a few. And the use case for, I mean, it can be used like in smart city applications, for example, like for people mapping. It can be used really to detect like warming batteries or things.
Oh, yes, definitely. It's not about only human body. Technically, it's about any object with a difference in temperature. I got some cool stuff. You see, this is their different sensors, different languages. We'll see. Okay, semiconductors. And I think this is 300, but I think it's pretty much it. I will briefly check if I didn't miss anything. Maybe I will get back to my friends' robots, yellow and red one, just to say bye. Other than that, I think that's it for today. I'm really glad that I could get there. I was thinking I have no chance at all because first I didn't know that it takes 3 days. I was thinking about 2 days. Okay, we spin to win at Moser Electronics and a mystery box with a star. Okay, I got some. Thank you. So, final thoughts. It's cool. I mean, like, this is purely IoT related exhibition, my first experience. What I liked, some really cool projects, some really cool demos, especially robotics, especially with this person Al I talked to about this special covering they developed, and PCB boards or medical stuff. It could be used in a liquid underwater for several years, and it's working fine. Some other cool examples of devices, and these are awesome people who build these robots, and yeah, they're great. So they also ramp it up. And let's say some minor issues. Again, this is my first experience on such exhibition. I mean, like purely sensors, purely IoT. What I think could be better, definitely if there are more demo-like stages and stands, especially when it's real to implement. I mean, like really like this simple example with heat sensor, right? So it implemented the sensor, the display, which shows in real time how it works, right? And not a big deal, but it gives you some kind of feeling, sense it's real, right? Robotics, exceptional demo, but maybe complicated in terms of implementation. This I liked with cameras and embedded AI models, which in real time detects objects and poses in monochrome and FPS. So this is also very cool. So I think more demos required. Sorry, not all the people here are exceptionally technical. Some of them could need to get an impression of what's going on. So yeah, that's probably it. Thank you. IoT Forge, subscribe, like, click the bell. Yeah, see you.